Hey Royals, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liz, aka Royal Beauty, and as you can see, I've got something new going on per usual, okay? These Bomba Faux Locks are so lit. I love this hairstyle so much, but I went through a lot to get this look, okay? This is my first time actually putting these in, so yeah. Stay tuned. Let's talk about it. Alright you guys, so let's talk about these Bomba Faux Locks. Alright, so these were sent to me from So Good Shop and they come in this nice packaging here. These are from Bobbi Boss, you guys, and these are the Bomba Faux Locks so the goddess locks. They're goddess locks, and they come with this nice thick goddess lock and a nice little, you know, pretty squiggle at the bottom. I didn't know, however, how difficult it was going to be to blend my hair into this. I mean, obviously you would think, okay, black or any of those neutral colors would have been easier, but of course, leave it to me to work out 613, and 613 came a platinum blonde. Lucky for me, So Good Shop is always down for a good, you know, challenge when it comes to Liz. Like, this was definitely a challenge for me because of the color, and that's the only reason, because I can crochet all day, but it's something about trying to blend in black roots with, or black hair with, a color like this. It just was not working out for me. No matter what I did, I couldn't like really fully hide my hair, as you can see here, without wrapping. So what I ended up doing was crocheting the middle, and then I started doing individuals around the perimeter. So what I ended up doing was just wrapping, doing the actual goddess lock wrapping method with the hair. And I have a whole routine down, but I promise you, I wanted to shoot that video, but I just got so frustrated that by the time I figured out what would work for me, I didn't even think of grabbing the camera again. I just wanted to get it over. But once I did, I was super happy. These come in 20 inches, and it sounds like a lot. For like 20-inch, you would think for like weaves is a lot. But when it comes to braids and goddess locks like this, if you want to do a bun like how I did, I knew I wanted to do a high bun. If you want to do a high bun or styles like that, you're going to need like a lot more length. You're going to need to have long hair. So 20 inches is amazing, exceptional for them to start out at 20 inches, because they know people want to do styles like this. So kudos to Bobbi Boss. These are 100% hand braided. They come crochet braid ready. They have a natural texture, they're premium fiber, and they have excellent hot water setting. So if you wanted to set it in hot water, which I don't think you would need to because it already comes curled, you can set it in hot water pretty good. And like I said, it comes with 15 strands. I used about 7 packs of this in my head. About 6 to 7 packs of this in my head. My head's pretty big. But the kicker is I didn't even really use 7 packs over my whole head. And I'm going to show you why right about now. as you can see, I had a lot of fun checking out the luxurious barber. Definitely check him out. He is in the DMV, like I said, and all of his information will be linked down below. Okay, you guys, so my overall opinion on these locks is that they are amazing. I would get these again just for myself. My daughter now wants these because she saw my hairstyle. Now I won't be getting her this color, but I will be doing these on her head because she really liked this style, and it's a great protective style. So I will be putting this back in. So what I'm gonna do now is show you guys some other looks that you can do with this hair, and I will leave you at that. Don't forget to comment down below if you would like to see a tutorial on this. If you like this video, if it helps you at all, make sure you share it so that other people can see it. And don't forget to comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay royal.